Hello guys, and welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make over $5,000 a month by creating motivational videos. So let's start. First step. Go on TikTok and search for the best motivational quotes. After you find quotes, go to the website called 11 Labs and generate a voiceover. After you generate voiceover, head to the website called Pexels and find the background video. When you find the background video, go to the CapCut and add the background video and voiceover from 11 Labs. Here's an example of some videos. A bottle of water can cost 50 cents in a supermarket, $2 at a gym, $3 at a cinema, and $6 on an airplane. The only thing that changes its value is the location. So the next time you feel like you're worth nothing, you might just be in the wrong place. Just go ghost. Nobody's gonna know what you're up to. This is you against you. If you really want to make some noise, don't tell people what you're doing and let the results speak for themselves. The next step is to monetize these videos. Go to the website ClickBank or Digit Store and find your affiliate link. After you find your unique link, go to the website System.io. You will have a link in the description and create a landing page for your link. After you created a landing page for your link, go on TikTok and paste the link of a landing page in your bio. Upload every day too. 3 videos and I guarantee you that you will start making money. If you want to learn more about making money online, join our Discord server and comment for more.